What is up guys, it is Mr. Fantastic here and the ultimate flagship killer is here. I present you the Xiaomi Mi 11. It was recently unveiled by Xiaomi in China and it is yet to be released globally. And it costs just $600. It is jam-packed with high-end features, so without any further ado, let's begin. It has glass on both the front and the back and aluminum frame in between, and surprisingly, it is using the latest Gorilla Glass Victus, which is much stronger than last generations. As of its display, it is very impressive too. It is a 6.81 inches 2K OLED panel with quad curves, so it is curved both on the sides as well as the top and the bottom, which gives it a very unique look. It has a hole punch on the top left corner and it is a 120Hz panel, and it also has 1 billion colors, HDR10 Plus and 1500 nits peak brightness, which is crazy. It is rocking 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of UFS 3.1 internal storage, and it is also the world's first phone to use the latest and greatest Snapdragon 888 based on 5nm process, so you can expect it to perform incredibly well as it is a flagship processor, and it also has 5G. There is a 4600 mAh battery with 55 watt of fast charging, 50 watt of wireless charging, as well as 10 watt of reverse wireless charging, and you also get stereo speakers by Harman Kardon, which is sweet. Now, I must mention that it is not coming with a charger. They're giving the same reason as Apple that they are doing this for the environment, but there are two versions of it, one with a charger and one without a charger, priced exactly the same for now, so they are giving you some choice, which is really nice, but after some time you'll have to pay extra for the charger version. Now let's talk about the cameras. There is a triple camera setup and the camera module is quite big and the design is very unique, and I personally like it a lot. There is a 108 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel automatic camera, and weird enough a 5 megapixel macro camera, which is a bit strange. And it also has 8K video recording, and there is a 20 megapixel front camera too. There are a bunch of colors of it. There is black, white, blue, purple and orange. Now the purple and orange have a vegan leather type of finish instead of glass, which honestly looks really good. And there is also a special edition Xiaomi Mi 11 2 with unique patterns on its back. It is starting at 4,000 Chinese yens, so it will be somewhere around $600, which makes it an absolute steal, and I think it is a very solid deal and I'm very surprised by it. I'm very excited for its Pro version too. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next vid.